Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you how to solve this 4 by 4 cube. So let's start it. So as you can see that this cube is scrambled now. So first of all we make the center pairs. So the first center pairs that we usually start with is white. So everyone can make the first white center. Like we have to pair all the 4 center pieces here, starting with here. So one piece is here, so you can just fix it like this here, and the one piece is here. You can do this like this here and put it here. And for the last piece you can do it like this, u prime, a small r prime, and this is completed. And for the second, which is, I would recommend you solving the opposite side now, which is the yellow. So already 2 pieces are there, so and 1 piece is now here. So you will turn this like this here and do this like this. So only 1 piece left now, and which is here. So you will double click it, and now this you will do it like this. And so like this you can solve every center. So while solving these centers, last 4 centers, you have to keep in mind the color scheme. And now we'll talk about the last 2 centers. So last 2 centers I am taking example of red and blue. So as you can see, blue 2 pairs are done. Now this we can call this as a bar. So we'll keep the bar like this. Put this piece or this piece, any one piece, like this here. And now the last piece can be put like this here. And so the center pairing is done. Now let's move on to our edge pairing. So for edge pairing we basically have 2 cases like this. First case, the 2 same edge pieces are at the same positions in the same line. So what you can do is push this piece into this piece place like this, and then perform the algorithm r u r prime f r prime f prime r, and then reverse the move. And so this pair is completed. Let's move on to our second case. So our second case comes a bit like this, where the 2 pieces are there but they are not in the same line. So you can just simply connect them like this and then replace with a junk piece. Junk piece is a piece which is not being paired, and so done. So in this way you can pair up all the pieces. So after you have done with all the edge pieces, you can come with a case like this. The last 2 edges, these 2 pieces same and the same line, and these 2 same line. So if you perform that algorithm, first connect these 2 like this, bring this to this place, and then do the algorithm r u r prime f r prime f prime r, and then do the backup move, and all the edges are paired. So sometimes the last 2 edges case comes like this, that the 2 similar pieces are not in the same line. So what you can do is bring them in the same line by, if you want to solve using this piece, you can bring it like this, opposite side. So I'll solve this, so I'll bring it to the opposite side like this, making it up, and then turning the cube like this using a u prime move, and then bringing it again down. Now they are on the same side, and now you can perform the algorithm r u r prime f r prime f prime r, and the backup move. All the edge pieces are solved, and now we'll solve this cube like a 3x3 simply. So sometimes you may make a mistake of color scheme like this. So there comes 2 cases. This is the first case. in which our color scheme which I told you in my previous video, we remember as G, O, B are keeping the yellow on top. So it is like G, B, O, which is completely wrong. So what you will do is swap. So here will be coming orange now. So what we will do, small r2, b2, f2, small r2. So now GO, and now this is RB, it should be BR. So there is algorithm, small r u2 small r prime, small l prime u2 small l. So now GOBR, and the color scheme is fulfilled now. Now let's solve it like a 3x3. During connecting the color scheme, it's a bit tricky, but the two algorithms which I told you just now, they are only used. So do remember that. So we are done with F12 here, cross and F12, and here comes our parity case. This case doesn't come in our 3x3 cube. So here comes our algorithm, small r2, p2, u2, small l, u2, small r prime, u2, small r, u2, f2, small r, f2, small l prime, b2, r2, and this cross is made and parity, OL parity is fulfilled now. So doing further steps now. And this our cube is solved. Now let's move on to our PLL parity case. So in PLL parity, only these last two edges are to be swapped like this, or they can be adjacent like this, but the same algorithm will be used. In this, in small r, instead of this full layer, we use only this R middle layer. So now we'll use the algorithm, keeping at any side, small r2, u2, small r2, small u2, small r2, small u2, u2, and hence this parity condition is fulfilled and our cube is solved. So this was all about this 4x4. Do like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. Goodbye, take care, meet you in the next video.